Guys, what's up? Now today let's learn about sketch driven pattern. So click on part B environment and click on OK. Now after that, for this linear pattern or any other pattern, we need a 3D figure. So let's make one 3D. Let's make one rectangle as usual because it is easy to create and easy to understand also. Now extrude and OK. Now we need to draw something which we need to pattern. So what I'm drawing is I'll draw one like this. I'll draw one hexagon, and using smart dimension I'll give dimension as okay, I'll make it as 5. Now this time what we'll do is we'll make an extrude cut. We'll make one hole, so extrude cut and okay, we have made one hole. Now in the curve driven pattern we have made curve. So in sketch driven pattern we need to specify the point where we need to put this pattern, or we need to put this hexagon. So first of all, go to sketch and place create a select this one point. So make it point where you need this pattern, like this, like this, again like this. Click on OK. As this point already exists, so I'm going to delete this. Now come out of the sketch environment. As you can see, our sketch 3 is point. And the thing is, if you need to give dimension, or if you need anything, you can use smart dimension tool to give dimension for point also. For example, 30. I'm just drawing these random points. If you need in exact for part drawing, you need this for exact environment. So as you can see, this is our center point, and we need this for exact point. If we need this for exact point, for example, this and this might be same, but this is not same. So let's apply one. Let's edit this sketch and smart dimension. This and this was make it okay. This was 24. I'm making it 25, and I'm giving this and this distance also 25. As this was 20, I'm giving it 25. It is coming down, but because there is no references, I'm deleting this for this. It is coming down because there was no any fixed point. First of all, we need to make this point fixed so that we can give dimension. So after coming out of the sketch environment, so go to features. Now in the linear pattern, you can select sketch driven pattern. So in the first time selected this one, you can select this any image. You can select in the any point and it will directly select the sketch, this one. And face or features to extrude, or face or features to make pattern, features to pattern, you can select this pattern like this. In this I have accidentally selected all the things, like I have selected on different faces, so I am getting this error. So to do this nicely, first of all, go to this sketch pattern, then click this, and in the second features or face, go to this features manager tree and select this extrude cut and click on OK. OK, because it is going outside, it is giving me error. I'm clicking OK, so that like this, because it won't exist, it will be removed when you are doing machining. So it was giving me error. I was not using exact dimension, so this happens. And the thing is, if you directly go and select these features, for example sketch driven pattern, and if you directly select this feature, then sometime you may accidentally select this face, so you may get an error. So the best practice is to do so, you can go here and you can go to features manager tree, and from the features manager tree select the object or select the part drawing which you want to pattern. It is the best practice. Now I hope you understood this, and thank you for watching, guys.